Moment. Borsalino.
Queen of Guyana. All right, here we go again. Happy New Year to all racing fans and everyone around. Well, today we have proven again that this filly is one of the outstanding. She owned it, she regained it, and she had a little mistake of meeting two backwards and stuff. And now she regained herself and come back very conscious. And she's ready again to go.
A strong run from you, a strong signal at the start of the year for Borsalino, for your stable, that you are not going to be taken lightly this year.
Well, honestly, I was planning this was supposed to be her last race, win or lose. Put her on retirement. But fans out there just asking her to keep going, so we had to make a decision finally if we're going to put her on the retirement. But on my side, I'm ready to go for the retirement. And well, overall, you know, she ran a very hard race. Back in last week at Canardier, she had a little obstacle in her way, and that what caused her the race. But today she had it all. It's, you know, she regained, she got very confident in herself and everything. Yes.
Tell me what the feeling is like training a horse like Borsalino, understanding that you have just toppled two of the biggest horses here on the first day of the year, the start of the year.
Well, she's a great horse and a very simple horse to be trained. Once you get her going, she is ready to run. She knows this game so much. You know, I feel that she is one of the easiest horses in training. She understands it. You know, she's comfortable doing it.
And if you do plan to retire Borsalino, what do we see you next with?
If I should resign Borsalino, well, I have to take some time and I will come again with something very special. Because racing is not getting any easier here. It's getting tougher and tougher, so you have to come with something good.
Final question from me, legislation on the horizon almost here. What does it mean for you?
Well, legislation going to be a great promotion for the racing in Guyana here, and I hope people can have respect for the laws of the legislation, and we can take this forward in a nice way. The atmosphere must be better. They like this, you know, the convenience here for the spectators and horses should be improved at least 100% within the legislation period of time and comes out, you know. So we expect better with the legislation. Horses from all over going to come here, compete. It's going to be a very great thing in this issue for the country.
Thank you very much. You heard it from the owners of Borsalino.